So I finished taking a shower and I put my hair in twists. I'm wearing two bonnets because if y'all know the sitch on bonnets, y'all know that they disappear. They go on vacations while we're sleeping. But right now it's 9:44 p.m. That's like my bedtime reminder to go to sleep by 10 p.m. I'm just gonna read really quickly. It's really cozy and comfortable. From Target, I get most of my pajamas and loungewear from Target. Just a quick check-in. I have finished cleaning up, still doing laundry, have like a lot of loads to go through, but I've been through like 3 loads right now. I finished washing up the bathroom, took my shower, got ready. I'm about to go to the bank and I will go to Target probably just to pick up a couple things and to make some other purchases and returns at different stores. So come along with me. But I will be picking my friend up in a couple hours. So actually at this spot next to my house, it's kind of cute. It's called Bell Street Burritos and they have Mexican food. They serve Mexican food here. I think they have free Wi-Fi, so I'm probably gonna grab something really light to eat and just kind of like just chill for a little bit. Honestly, I've been out and about for the day, so I'll just do a little bit of chilling here and then I'll go home and get prepared and head over to the airport. Yay, it's now 8 p.m. I've made my bed, listening to my classical music still. Everything is looking great except me. Need to go clean up a little bit, but everything is cleaned up and I will be headed to the airport. Sending message that he looks at other people's message they get from their boyfriend and their... Are you recording? We're getting ready to go out. Purr. So y'all, we are ready. Purr. Come. I always wear earrings. Alright, y'all, I don't think I formally introduced y'all to my friend. Guess what her name is, y'all? Guess her name. Her name's Marianne. Period. But mine is spelled like Mary, like Merry Christmas, and hers is spelled Mary, like Mother of Jesus. But we are your Mary Ann Queens. And then her evil name is also Ma. Mine is also Ma, but yours is NMA. Mine is MMA. So
mine is MMA.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh, mine is MMA too. Not you trying to beat me. Don't do that.
We're like fake twins.
Okay, and we're like almost the same height.
Almost.
She swears.
Almost.
But I'm just a little bit taller than her, like an inch or two. But you can't tell because like she's so like slim, so she looks tall. So I'm a bit thicker, so I don't look as tall. But when you walk up to me, you're like, dang, she's tall. Yes, I'm tall. Okay. Here. But let me see this restaurant real quick. Don't down.
So much.
Okay, so can I have a reservation for two, please? ANN.
Check it out for tonight's tickets at 9 o'clock. We'll see you then.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
You're not serious. Outfit change. Hey, give that. Let me record it. I just want flex. See, I just want flex. Ain't nobody else. Have you drank water today? I was recording. Oh, go deliver me. So if you want to smell sweet, but you don't want to smell like a flower, literally this right here, girl, I bathe in this stuff, and I carry it in my my purse when I'm going out. I'll do a quick what's in my bag before our Uber gets here. Okay, so this is my bag. It is this vintage bag I got from an estate sale. I love the handle, like it's so freaking cute. You can hold it like this, and then it has a gold chain which you can strap on your shoulder. All right, and then what's in my actual bag, next thing, wallet, which is also a mirror, so to freshen up your breath. Many of the fragrance I'm currently wearing, just in case I need to botch up. Sir, like, so we are currently in Atlanta. We missed our reservation by like 4 minutes, and they're making us wait. So ghetto, but we're just gonna wait outside. It's warm, it's not cold, yeah, so we'll be fine. So yeah. Marianne go Waki. What do you pronounce this? Wachi or Waki? Waki. This is Ghanaian delicacy. I'm eating peanut soup. My peanut soup is coming.
I don't recommend.
Right. So what would you rate this? Huh? 3? Thank you.
I'll be back for the drink.
Thank you. So I got plantain fufu and peanut soup. Yo, this is a buzz. Peanut soup is not popular like that in Nigeria, but it's a nice Nigerian food. I think other African countries, other West African countries eat this too. I think it's really good. We're eating.
This one is not tasting there.
Good morning, y'all. Just woke up. I got a juicer, and I will be juicing today because I've been eating unhealthy. So let's go ahead and unbox the juicer.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up on how should it ever feel. Sorry, I've been overdragging and now that it's been. 'Cause I've been so long, so long.
Oh my gosh, girl. Let me make sure I'm on the vlog. One thing about me is you're gonna leave this place healthy.
Glowing.
Exactly.
Okay. Should I close my nose?
No, you don't have to. It's not that bad.
It's not.
It's not. It's literally an inventor. This is a charging block. This is a Nigerian charging block. I just put my phone between it. Boom, phone stand. 5-minute crafts right there. So Marianne is making egg. Cut that pepper, baby. The phone done lock up. Hey y'all. It is Saturday afternoon. We just chilled today, right? We didn't really do much. But now we're about to go to the mall. Just get a couple things and then we're probably gonna just, I'll update y'all, Sha.
Excuse my language, that's a hang up and I said the other feeling. Sorry, I feel overcharging and none of this feeling.
Y'all, what you wearing, girl?
I am wearing a bodysuit. It is strapless. And a jeans from Shein and some Vans.
We're just keeping it really casual today.
Yeah, comfortable.
And y'all already saw my outfit, so let's go. I think we'll, in the car today, listen to different kind of music. We listen to Nigerian music a lot. Like Nigeria's top 100 is getting draining. We're tired. So let's try listening to something new today. What will we listen to? I don't know.
American.
We'll see. Yeah, we're now at Perimeter Mall. It took us like a year to find parking, but we here. So all summer we're skin tints. So this is Fenty Beauty's new tint, like face tint. So I'm trying my colors out. It's my forehead. It's not blending?
I feel like it's a little darker. It's dark.
Oh, it's dark? Okay.
dark.
I'm not seeing well then.
Which ones have you tried so far?
I tried all of them.
Oh boy.
I tried this one. I tried 22, 3, 4, and 5 already. I think 20. Feels divine. And we are currently at Pond City Market. I think, do you want to go to the rooftop? They have like drinks and stuff at the rooftop.
Yeah, we should.
So we're gonna go ahead and just walk over to the rooftop. The weather feels so great, y'all. I feel like I should be at a beach or something. It's a vibe over here, y'all. I never come here in the nighttime. I always come in the daytime.
Folks, it is nice to meet y'all. My name is Jacob. I'm going to be your elevator attendant for today. This is anyone's first time up on the roof.
Yes.
All right. Nice. Welcome back to you being your...
Dance for them. Dance. I hope it's sweet. Thank you. Hey everyone, we're back home. I just put on a mask, put on my robe, about to light a candle. Madame is, wait, is she KO? I think she's KO'd, but I'm about to just chill, make some tea, and watch a movie. So come along with me. Marianne's leaving. Oh my gosh. Bye. Good morning, y'all. I just woke up and I am gonna just do a couple of things, but firstly, like, just try on different like foundations on my forehead. It's like kind of like caused me to break out a little bit, but we move. Marianne, my friend, she just left this morning. She's so sad that she booked a flight, an early flight. Like, unless I'm leaving work, That's one thing I'll never do. Like, I'll never book an early flight. I have to soak it up until the last minute, but she couldn't find any other flights. I'm really sad about that. But yeah, she's gone right now. It's just me. I haven't been alone in my room for like 2 weeks now. So yeah, I definitely need to get back in the groove of, like, you know, working out. I haven't worked out in like a while. I definitely miss it. Definitely miss that order and that feeling in my life. But now I'm about to start editing my video. Love this candle that I got from Nordstrom. I absolutely love this candle. If you stuck around for this long, leave me a white heart in the comments. That's my favorite emoji, if I'm not being sarcastic. So I need to take my hair out. I need to do something with her because baby girl is going through it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm trying to vlog more, travel more, and do more. So take care and have a wonderful week. Thank you guys so much. Bye. Love you.
Hello? Hello? Excuse me. Sumimasen. I just want to eat some food, man.